Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are having a good time and you all are in good health. Today we have a new topic and again a very special one. So this month is actually a very special month and it's the beginning of festivals in India. So it's Raksha Bandhan this Sunday, 22nd August. An Indian festival celebrated for among siblings which celebrates brotherhood and love. So we are going to make a lovely drawing on Raksha Bandhan today. I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. And here's also fun facts. Don't forget to hear along with the drawing. Fact number 1. In India, Indians celebrate the festival of Raksha Bandhan mainly for protection. During this occasion, sisters tie Rakhi to their brother's hand and pray for their well-being. Brothers then pledge to protect their sisters from all the evils. Fact number 2. Rabindranath Tagore also used Rakhi to bring harmony and brotherhood between the two religions to stop the partitioning of Bengal by the British. So originally the Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan was invented by as per the mythological stories. It was originated by some say Krishna, some say others, but during the modern times, in the more modern times, Rabindranath Tagore at the time of British rule, so freedom, at the time of freedom fighting, he started this mass Raksha Bandhan celebration from to stop this partitioning of Bengal. Fact number 3. It is believed that Lord Vishnu gave a boon to the demon king Bali that he would stay in his palace. But goddess Lakshmi did not want to do so. So he tied a Rakhi to Bali and asked him to let Lord Vishnu go in return. Fact number 4. Rakhi is all about love and of course brothers love for sisters, sisters love for brother, but it is all about the sweets also. Some very special dishes are also made on the sacred festival of Raksha Bandhan, like shakkar pare, namak pare, ghee, dhunani, etc. And now the last one, fact number 5. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is a symbol of affection and sacred relationship between brothers and sisters. Thus, it is the identity of our culture and every Indian is proud of this festival. So my cute angels, this was all the fun facts today on Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi Purnima. So my little buddies, are you going to celebrate Rakhi this time? Let's celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Forget all the differences and embrace your brother. The love between a brother and sister is above all. So wish you all a very healthy, happy and sweet Rakhi. Till we meet next time with a new topic, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.